alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, who loves to nap. C is for cheetah, running fast. D is for dolphin, swimming past. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for flamingo, pink all day. G's for gorilla, strong and loud. H is for horse, who gallops proud. I is for iguana, climbing high. J is for jaguar, leaping by. K is for koala, soft and sweet. L is for lion, with a royal meat. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for narwhal, in icy seas. O is for owl, who's wise and blue. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. R is for rabbit, doing a hop trick. S is for seal, sliding on ice. T is for tiger, with stripes so nice. U is for urchin, spiny and small. V is for viper, slithering tall. W is for whale, in the ocean blue. X is for zebras, in deserts too. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.